involved in that movie. Just tell your personal opinion on the topic which we chose, loneliness due to devices.
I think it's a very good topic to discuss about, because nowadays this Gen Z generation is like always onto their phones. Like I play the character of a YouTuber who is continuously using the phone but is not into the real world. I think people should engage in a hobby, or they should play some physical activity, do some yoga and meditation, so that their mental health should be very stable.
Yeah, I think it's a great matter of concern which should be discussed. And loneliness with devices, it's basically I think it is important to cover, because we are getting disconnected from the real world, and it is also having huge negative impacts on our physical health as well, because we are not giving time to physical activities, which is leading to obesity.
Any health issue.
Okay. So like, which was our concern, like generational difference. So what's your opinion on the generational difference? Like in 90s, people used to feel lonely. Obviously, loneliness is not like abhi. In this generation, we are feeling lonely. Loneliness is still after we take birth. Loneliness comes from that place. Okay. How can we cooperate?
Like earlier, people used to do some activities, like they can do farming, like they are gathering. Like we have shown now, one Kushal has played the role of Sarpanch and all. They used to have their meetings, like they used to go together. But nowadays, it's like opposite. Like no one cares.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, basically, people used to interact.
yeah, people used to interact, but nowadays, like people are not
They are
interacting.
not interacting with the phone.
Phones,
Yeah.
yeah.
All are continuously engaged in our devices, due to which we are getting disconnected from our real world, and basically we all are digitally isolated, and we are not socializing as much our needs. So
Okay, tell me some practical strategies for reducing our like screen time or basically digital loneliness without cutting the digital technology. Because obviously we can't cut it 100%. Without this, today's life is totally incomplete.
Like we are not saying that you should cut off from the devices.
Yes,
but
that's
we
it.
should reduce our screen time.
We can set our limits on phones. Like we can engage in like we can
Offline
use
activities.
we can use some social medias which are useful to us. Like we can use LinkedIn.
Basically,
social
we
media.
should
Like
use
social
certain
media from
extent
where we
only.
are getting the knowledge. Basically, we can use that instead of we are scrolling. We should not do that. But we can do in like
Yeah,
we are
basically
reading
we should-
books in
yeah.
that, or we can read.
Kindle type.
Yeah,
No, not
news.
Kindle.
Kindle is a
Yeah, ebook,
reading-
but
ebook reading.
but I think we prefer offline books, like physical.
No. My question is, we can't cut the technology.
Definitely. Yeah.
So I am just asking some practical strategies that you can cope up with even like loneliness, then you can use this tool.
First of all, I think we should try to limit our screen time to a certain extent.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
that,
it.
yeah. And then we should engage ourselves in offline activities, like which can involve in hobby.
So like if we are using phones or any devices, there are long-term loneliness, chronic loneliness, which impact on physical and mental health. How can people like reduce that? Because I saw that 99% of kids, I'm not saying about even teenagers, kids, they are involved rather than in TV or like outside games, they are involved in this device. Can you just like imagine the impact starting from that generation to like 30s and 40s people which are software engineers, they are so mentally involved in that device, they don't have any real connection in the world.
I think their parents, about kids we are talking, so their parents play a major role in it. Because like parents are busy in their life, like doing scrolling, उनका अलग ही life चल रहा होता है, they are not paying attention to their kids. So I think parents को kids पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, उनके साथ खेलना चाहिए, उनको बाहर ले जाना चाहिए. तो parents इसमें बहुत main role करते हैं. About kids I'm talking.
Okay, then he told about kids, and now after kids have teenager life, so how can they do it?
टीन्स को अपनी हॉबीज में अगर कोई नई चीज सीखनी चाहिए, उनको ऑफिस गैदरिंग अटेंड करना चाहिए. लोग अपने स्क्रीन टाइम एक सर्टेन डिफरेंस रहना चाहिए कि लिमिट करें, जितना यूज उतना यूज करें, एंड बाकी को ऑपरेटिव को इंगेज करना आना चाहिए.
Like so, Deep played a role of software engineer in our movie. He was very mentally like exhausted, physically maybe. He like 80 to 85% of engineers face this physical health problem, which is backing, because they continuously sit for 10 to 12 hours. They have like time deadlines to give their work, etc. etc. So how can they cope up with that?
That's a very good question. I think they can practice meditation and yoga.
तो टाइम निकालना
Yeah,
पड़ेगा
because
फिजिकल
it's
एक्टिविटी के लिए.
Very important. They can practice yoga and meditation. Like they can go for morning walks.
बेसिकली उन्हें सेट करना पड़ेगा कि अपने हेल्थ को टाइम दो करने के लिए, रिकवर करने के लिए.
Very good session with you.
Yeah.
Hope people like our movie and they have some knowledge about how to reduce the loneliness and